Hello students, in this video we will discuss issue of debenture as collateral security. First of all, what is collateral security? When company takes a loan from the bank or from any other person, the company may have issued some debentures as secondary security in addition to the principal security. And that additional security is called collateral security. If the company has issued debentures in addition to the main security, then this is known as issue of debenture as collateral security. Let us understand it with an example. Suppose on 1st January 2019, company has taken a loan from the bank for rupees 10 lakh for 10 years. You know, without having mortgage any asset, bank does not provide us loan. Suppose company has mortgage its plant and machinery of rupees 15 lakh as primary security. Bank wants one more assets. Suppose company has mortgage another assets named furniture of rupees 5 lakh against bank loan. This second security is called additional security. You can say collateral security. This is primary security, this is secondary security or collateral security. If company has issued its debenture instead of furniture to the bank against the bank loan, then it is known as issue of debentures as collateral security. Bank will charge interest on this principal amount only of rupees 10 lakh. Bank is not authorized to get interest on the amount of debentures because this is actually not issued. This is actually mortgaged against the bank loan. If company does not pay the amount of principal loan and interest payable on it on due date, then bank has right to sell the primary security first of all, and bank will realize this principal amount plus amount of interest by realizing plant and machinery. If bank fail to get his due amount from the amount of plant and machinery, then bank will become the debenture holder of the company and bank will claim all the rights of the debenture holder. Now, what is the accounting procedure at the time of issue of debenture as collateral security? There are two methods. Number one, first method. In first method, the journal entry will be passed for taking bank loan only. Bank account debit to bank loan. Issue of debenture as a collateral security is not recorded in this method. Now, second method. In second method, first of all, entry for taking bank loan will be recorded. Entry will be bank account debit to bank loan. When company takes loan from the bank, bank balance increases. That's why bank account is debited. On the other hand, loan is a liability. Liability is also increasing. That's why bank loan account is credited. The amount is supposed 10 lakh. Now, when company is issuing debenture as a collateral security, the journal entry will be debenture suspense account debit to percentage debenture. Debenture suspense account debit to percentage debentures. These two entries will be passed at the time of taking loan from the bank and issuing debenture as a collateral security. On the due date, when company repay the amount of bank loan to the bank, these two entries will be reversed. Now, how to show the debentures in the balance sheet? Let us understand how to show the debentures in balance sheet in this case. Balance sheet as at this is the format. Particulars, note number, current year, previous year. First of all, equities and liabilities. Long-term liabilities, long-term borrowings will be written here. Note number 1. Now we have to explain long-term borrowings. Let us understand how to show in the balance sheet. Notes to accounts. Notes to accounts will be prepared under the balance sheet. Note number 1. Long-term borrowings. Right here, debentures. Suppose debentures are issued for rupees 15 lakh. Debentures 15 lakh less debenture suspense 15 lakh nil. So point to remember, the debenture which are issued as collateral security will not be shown in the balance sheet, inside the balance sheet. These will be shown in the notes to accounts only. Second point, bank loan. The amount of bank loan, rupees 10 lakh. Right here in the next line, bank loan secured by plant and machinery or any other primary security, and debentures issued as collateral security. Total 10 lakh. So in balance sheet, this 10 lakh will be written here. So this is the way how to show the debentures in balance sheet. Let us understand it with one more example. Suppose in question, company has issued debentures of rupees 10 lakh to the public and company has issued debentures of rupees 5 lakh to the bank as a collateral security. What will be the journal entries first of all? When company is issuing debentures in the public, the journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. Amount is 10 lakh. This application money will be transferred to the debentures account. Debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debentures account. So the debentures of rupees 10 lakh are issued to the public. Now suppose company has taken a loan from the bank during the year of rupees 5 lakh and company has issued debentures of rupees 5 lakh to the bank as collateral security. What will be the journal entries? For taking bank loan, the journal entry will be bank account debit to bank loan 5 lakh. And when we are issuing debenture to the bank as collateral security, debenture suspense account debit to percentage debentures. ₹5 lakh. Now let us understand how to show the debentures in balance sheet. Total debentures are issued 10 lakh to the public and of rupees 5 lakh to the bank as a collateral security. Total debentures are issued of rupees 15 lakh. So how to show these debentures in balance sheet? Let us understand. First of all, prepare the format of balance sheet. Balance sheet as at particular note number, current year figure and previous year figure. First of all, equity and liabilities. Non-current liabilities, because debenture is a non-current liability. So right here, non-current liabilities. This is the main heading. Now long-term borrowings. Debentures are shown under the subheading long-term borrowings. Note number 1. Now explain this term in notes to accounts. Note number 1. Long-term borrowings. Debentures. Total debentures are 10 lakh were issued to the public and 5 lakh of rupees 5 lakh debentures were issued to the bank. Total 10 lakh plus 5 lakh, 15 lakhs. But out of these 15 lakh, debentures of rupees 5 lakh are issued to the bank as collateral security. This 5 lakh will not be shown in the balance sheet. 15 minus 5. Only 10 lakh will be shown in the balance sheet. Second point, bank loan. Bank loan was taken of rupees 5 lakh. secured by debentures issued as collateral security. Total long-term borrowings are 15 lakh. So right here 15 lakhs. So this is the way how to show the debentures in the balance sheet.